So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2022 paper 1, which is from the chemical kinetics chapter. And in this question what has been asked is, in the first equation we have given this rate equation. If you see here, we have to draw the graph at the all possible initial concentration of x. And if you see here, initial time x is very small as compared to xs, we have neglected x. And at the time when the reaction is about to completion, then x is very high as compared to xs, that's why xs is neglected. So at the different times we will see that the rate of the reaction will behave at a different order. If you see here, at the initial time, initially the reaction will behave as a first order. The reaction will behave as a first order, and finally it will behave as zero order. So if you see here, half-life, initial time it will be constant, and after a particular time it will increase linearly. In zero order reaction, half-life increases linearly, and the first order reaction, it is almost constant. That's why the P is matching with this. Also the R will matching with this, because initially first order and after some time it will behave as a zero order. So P and R is matching with first, and in the second, initial concentration x is much less than x. That means we have to neglect this x. So the rate will be first order rate. So Q and T, both graphs are matching with the first order. If you see here, Q and T is following the first order. And in the third, the initial concentration of x is much higher than xs. That means because initial concentration of x is much higher, that's why xs will be neglected, and we will get the zero order reaction. For zero order, the graph is only s matching with this. In the fourth equation, if you see, x is much higher than xs. If x is higher, then xs will be neglected, and the reaction will become first order. That means first order, that means Q and T. So if you see all these, you will see that the correct option for this question is first option, PQST. So PQST is matching with this. That's why the correct option is first answer, A option. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you understand the solution. If you have any doubt or query, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.